Venues and event organisers using Trusted Trace have a simple way to communicate their COVID guidelines to guests and to collect track and trace information from those not wanting to use the NHS app, as well as collecting information on the COVID status of guests. First, guests are sent a direct link to the declaration form, or they can go to trustedtrace.co.uk and enter a unique code to take them there. Guests and suppliers have slightly different forms to enable businesses to make a declaration on behalf of their entire team. For now, I'm just going to go into guest declaration. Guests can access the event's COVID guidelines. You can see that they can click the link just here, and you can use the default version or upload your own. They'll enter their contact details, and then if you have any specific requirements, such as a negative test for those who aren't vaccinated yet, they can confirm their COVID status just here. If there's any evidence they need to upload, they can do it here as well. If there are others in their party, they can add in their details just here. And then they'll need to confirm that they have read the guidelines, they won't attend the event if they develop symptoms, and most importantly, that if they do test positive within 5 days of the event, that they'll contact you. Once they've completed their declaration, the guest will be given this check-in pass, which can be presented at the door of your venue. And it's as simple as that.